Today's transformation is the Great Aussie Outhouse. We're going to go in with some paint and transform this small space into something amazing. So we are going in with a half wall. Again, a theme for us at the moment, but it is a trend in interiors, so you will see more of it. But rather than going dark on the bottom and light on the top, we are reversing that out. And we're going to go with a blue colour called Illusion Blue. And then we're going to paint down here a white. But the fun part about this project is the tiles. They're an existing grey tile and there isn't a budget to replace them. So we're going to paint them and prime them properly. There's lots of prep involved, so come along with us today and see what we can do with this small Aussie outhouse.